Hi everyone, I'm Tim Martin, the Director of Ignatian Service Learning and Engagement here at Loyola Academy. Many of you I know. Thank you so much for partnering with us again and for the incredible support you give our students. I wanted to take a few minutes to walk you through a few updates and make sure we're all on the same page as we kick off this service season. First, I want to introduce you to our amazing team. On the far left of the picture is me, of course. Next to me is Maria Prezzo, our new Arupe coordinator. She has replaced Lyle. Then there's Megan Kennedy-Farrell, who is our coordinator of service immersions. Most of you won't work with her so much, but is around. And Adriana Kelly, of course, who many of you already know, and as your direct contact for strategic partnering with Loyola, including speakers, our spring symposium, our annual Jesuit Day of Solidarity, and any new initiatives with clubs, athletic teams, and honor groups, among many other things. So before we get started, I'd like to ask each of you to take a moment and just double check the dates and times your students are scheduled to volunteer with your organization, along with their agreed start dates. Some of those aren't always clear, the start dates. It's really important that this information matches what we have on file, so please reach out to us right away if anything looks off or has changed since we last connected. Thank you for many of you who responded to the Google form, about 15 to 20 of you I've been in touch with. While you're at it, please also verify your organization's contact information, including your name, email, and phone number, is all accurate and up to date in our Sense system. This helps us make sure you're getting timely updates and that our students can reach you when they need to. One other thing for this video is I wanted to introduce you to a new tool we're using this year to make scheduling easier for everyone. We've moved our sign-up process over to a website called signup.com. You can still, of course, be in touch with us, but it's a way for you, rather than getting emails with lists and all from it, you can use this. This means students will now sign up for their volunteer shifts directly through this platform. I want to say except for the 5 or 6 of you that will be using your system. And you'll be able to see exactly who has signed up and when, all in one place. Here's how to get it set up. First, you'll go to signup.com and create an account. Once you've done that, let us know. Email it to me, please, and I'll assign you either a teacher view or a co-organizer view, depending on your role. After I've assigned that role, you'll need to log back in, and from there, you'll have full access to see open spots and times. And once we get students sign up, you'll be able to see how many have signed up and exactly who they are. In our email, you can see the students will be starting to sign up next week. In some cases, you also receive weekly email updates automatically. One of the best parts about signup.com is what happens if a student can't make it due to an absence. Students are required to remove their name from that day's slot themselves, which then immediately communicates the change to both me or Maria and to you as the community partner. It also, though, opens up a spot for any other students who might be on a wait list for that day. Here's a look at what that looks like from the teacher or co-organizer view. You'll have visibility into the sign-up sheet at any time so you can plan ahead and know exactly who to expect. If you have any troubles getting signed on, please just reach out to me. Here's a sample of what a sign-up sheet looks like once students start reserving their spots. You'll be able to see student names, dates, and time slots at a glance. All of this information, including your invitation to view your organization's sign-up page, is included in the email accompanying this video. If you have any questions at all about the new system or having trouble signing up, anything else we've covered today, please don't hesitate to reach out to me or to Maria. As part of her new role, Maria will be available after school daily to visit partner sites when students are there. It's a really valuable thing we're adding. So I hope you all get to know her soon. Thank you again for everything you do, for our students, and for being such valued partners in this work. We're looking forward to a wonderful year of service together. Thank you so much.